Most people use less than 5% of AI's real power. Today, you're going to discover 23 advanced ways to use AI that almost no one is talking about, methods that can upgrade your life, your productivity, and your finances instantly. Let's begin. Number 1. The Master Life Prompt. AI can become a personal operating system for your entire life. Ask it to create a master prompt by interviewing you about your values, goals, strengths, weaknesses, and principles. Save the final version as a PDF. Upload it before every question you ask AI. From that point on, all answers come through your lens. Number 2. The Hidden Truth Mirror. AI can reveal blind spots you can't see. Upload your journals, posts, notes, or content. Then ask, tell me something true about me that I don't notice. The patterns it finds are often life-changing. Number 3. Books that don't exist yet. AI can synthesize a full book from creators who never wrote one. Train it on interviews and public content from someone you admire. Ask it to outline a full book, chapters, frameworks, and checklists without hallucinating. You'll get a book-level summary of wisdom that doesn't exist anywhere else. Number 4. Decision-Making Journal. Log every major decision into AI along with your expected outcome. Then tell it to challenge your thinking. Most AIs default to being agreeable, so explicitly request criticism. The result is a smarter version of your decision-making process. Number 5. The Camcorder Method. Record yourself doing any task, workflows, processes, routines. Paste the raw transcript into AI. Ask for a one-page checklist, pitfalls, and an SOP. Instant documentation. Number 6. Turning goals into action. Give AI any goal. Ask for a 30/60/90 day roadmap with tasks, milestones, and metrics. This turns abstract wishes into concrete action. Number 7. Visual Dream Builder. AI can build your vision board. Feed it your goals. Ask for visual renderings of your life once you achieve them. Daily exposure to your future rewires your mindset. Number 8. Automated Wealth Blueprint. Share your income, expenses, debt, and savings goals. Ask AI to build a pay-yourself-first plan customized to your situation. It can outline emergency funds, debt payoff order, investment strategy, and more often with better clarity than many advisors. Number 9. AI Tax Scanner. Upload your expenses. Ask AI to flag likely deductions, credits, or grants you might qualify for. Always confirm with a professional, but AI reveals opportunities you would otherwise miss. Number 10. Your personal board of advisors. Ask AI to identify people alive or historical who achieved your goals. Create personas of each one. AI can answer questions the way those mentors might have. This builds a virtual mastermind around your life. Number 11. Future Self Letters. Tell AI your goals, fears, and timelines. Ask it to send motivational letters from your future self at 30, 90, and 365 days. It predicts how you might feel at each stage and encourages you accordingly. Number 12. The Memory Vault. Build AI project folders, finances, investments, health, business, relationships. Upload everything relevant. Now you have a second brain that remembers your entire life, as context, and gives better answers with every new detail you add. Number 13. Just-in-time learning paths. Instead of learning everything, learn the right thing at the right time. Tell AI what outcome you want and ask it to map the top 20% of lessons that produce 80% of results. No wasted learning. Number 14. Meeting Asset Generator. Upload Zoom calls or audio recordings. AI will generate summaries, decisions, risks, and next steps. This turns every meeting into a productive asset instead of a memory test. Number 15. AI Risk Assessment. Explain any decision, personal or business, and ask AI to sell you on the best choice. Then ask it to list every risk. You'll see the bigger picture instantly. Number 16. Message Sharpener. If you ramble, AI makes your words concise. If you're too blunt, AI softens the tone. Just say, rewrite this so it lands clearly without sounding harsh. Your communication improves overnight. Number 17. Travel Architect. Provide travel dates, budget, preferences. AI will create a complete multi-stop itinerary, hidden gems, restaurants, activities, weather timing, and cost estimates. It can even optimize entire world trips. Number 18. Emotional Debrief Partner. Use voice mode. Vent everything. Then ask, What is the one lesson or silver lining here? AI extracts clarity and perspective in minutes. Number 19. Story extraction system. Tell AI to interview you about meaningful life moments. Answer the questions, then ask it to format everything into point story lesson framework. This becomes a never-ending supply of content ideas. $20. Contract translator. Upload a contract. AI will rewrite it in simple English, highlight risky clauses, and suggest key questions you should ask. Your understanding improves instantly. Number 21. Contract creator. Describe your situation in plain language. Ask AI what additional details it needs. Once you answer, AI drafts a professional contract. This saves time, money, and legal confusion. Number 22. Tough conversation roleplay. Tell AI to roleplay as your boss, partner, parent, client, or employee. Practice the conversation before you have it. You become confident in moments that normally feel overwhelming. Number 23. The eulogy exercise. Upload your values, journals, and master prompt. Ask AI to draft the eulogy your family, friends, colleagues, and community would give today. Then refine it into the version you want to be true. It becomes a blueprint for the life you're building. Choose one of these 23 AI methods and implement it today. Just one. Small shifts create massive leverage. Comment which number you're starting with. And if you want the internal system prompts that power all of this, the link is in the description.